All right, Groveland Cemetery, part 2 here. We're over here. So, 28th day of September 2024. Look at some, these are some older ones, you can tell. 1949, 18, these are daughter, Ruth, 1909, 1953. It's kind of an interesting one. But Adams, Beverly, World War II vet, he's still alive. She passed away in 2012. Ronaldville by December 10th. We got some real old ones here. Oh, my goodness. Old. $1958. Who's bad boy? Oh my goodness. Parents of Carol and David. Stage hour. 1931, 2011. Clarence still alive. $1995, 1987. Niels Kenneth Matson. Died December 3. Joanne. And all these people were probably way back in Minnetonka. Grew up here way back when. So it looks like Donald, 2001. Maybe waiting for the wife. Oh, good last name, Nelson. Andrew Nelson. Catherine Nelson. 1870, 1951. Let's see. 1870. Let's see. 1941. Oh my goodness. They are dust to death by now. Yeah. August 21st, 1902. Kind of a nice one right here. Dad, mother, 1890, 1893. Got some old ones in here, man. Kind of cool. Heck yeah. Our little sailor. Must have been stillborn or something. 1998. It's gotta be tough. That's a 1958 Matthew Harrison. Nelson, Carol. An old one right there. 1913, 1976. Too bad no one really kind of keeps it up. Japs. Betty Ann Enos. Gary. (1950), 1883. It's an old one right here. 1857, 1918. Good. You can't get them all. You try to get some of them. So there's a bunch more over here. So we'll walk on over there too as well. So this is a Johnson one right here. Look at the Johnson family. So Hazel, father, 1947, mother, 1921. World War I, 1896, 1976. There's a big plot here. Carrie, Father Celeste, 1886. Can you imagine being back in the old days, growing up that kind of stuff? My goodness. Allison. Yep. 1975. Father, husband, son, brother. Richard and Mary both passed on. Can't see that one. It's unfortunate. 1930. 1882. Ooh. Jesus. Old. One lady was over here. Look, she's watering some stuff. Come over here and making sure. 1916 to 2001. $18.91. Logan. Oh, that's too bad. Baby girl Logan. Probably 1 year old. That's a shame. God bless you. Hopefully maybe God gave her another chance and brought her back. Even April 18th. Mother and grandmother. Jack and Patricia. She went 2008, he went in 2020. D. White, 2022. It's nice they got a garbage can out here. Some people just throw their trash out, you know. Kind of growing over who it is. Case, baby. Richard went in 2021. Gene followed him in 2023. Best dad. I like that's kind of cool. Like this kind of, that's nice. Looks like he got a little truck right there. Like he's got, must have liked trucks. Donald's fee in 2020. The one's still alive. I've been waiting for you, sweetheart, on the other end. Let the little children come unto me. Marilyn, Nancy. It's an old name. Nancy's are old. Way back. Oh, let's see. Warmer. I don't know if they're alive or not. I don't know. Didn't say. Phillips. You got 1956. Pretty somewhat young. Nice little thing. 1881, 1858. Here's some old ones over here. 1873, 1950. Jack. So it looks like they're it's a gray, the gray one right over here. 6 plot. 1918. So Brady George, 1984. But yeah, we'll walk back over there, and we'll do another one. So it's nice. It's a nice cemetery. I see a lot of small towns I go through when I'm out driving around for my job that you'd love to be able to go to, but just can't get out of my truck and start videotaping, you know. So anyways, we'll see you guys the next one, okay? All right, see ya.